Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun candle haul for you guys. I just went to Bath & Body Works the other day to take part in their candle sale that they have going on. It's I think $15.95 candles. It's not the best deal, but I wanted to try some of their new scents, and I actually asked my associates if they had any of the new summer ones coming out, and they had just gotten their shipment in, so they were so kind to literally bring out the boxes from the back and let me pick out what I wanted from the new scents, plus I got the sale price with that. So I'm so excited. I have some of the new summer upcoming scents that I was literally just talking about in Friday's video with my new release video. So the summer ones I picked up are not officially out on the floor until after Mother's Day, so probably that following Monday. But I did pick up some other ones from the collections that are on the floor now. I think this sale ends today if there's anything you're wanting to pick up or order online. But I'm so excited to kind of show you guys my first thoughts of the new ones. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'll start with the ones that you can currently get in stores and online. So I picked up the Laundry Day candle. I've been really liking these kind of fresh candles as of lately. Sometimes I'm just in the mood for that. It has notes of fresh air, crisp eucalyptus, and soft lavender. And it literally just smells like dryer sheets, like my Tide dryer sheets I use. That's what this reminds me of, or like a softener that you put in with your clothes. So good. So I did pick that, just so fresh and so clean. Sometimes you just want that clean scent in your house. And then also from that collection, I did pick up Endless Weekend. They actually have this back in a candle. I think this used to be in body care too, but it has notes of fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, and blue coconut water. This smells really good to me. It's very summer vibes. Kind of reminds me of the pool. There's like a little bit of a fruity, almost pineapple-y note to it, just a little bit. I like that it has a mixture of fruitiness and freshness in it. That overall creates a really beautiful fragrance. And then I also ended up picking up the Spice Vanilla Cupcake candle. This one has notes of spiced vanilla frosting, fluffy angel food cake, and cinnamon sugar. Which this one to me is pretty much cinnamon sugar donut repackaged and calling it a different name, but cinnamon sugar donut is one of my favorite candles. It's so strong and has such a beautiful bakery note. So this is pretty much that. It's nothing super new and exciting. I would have maybe liked it to be a little less spicy, maybe more cupcake scented, but I did decide to pick it up and we'll burn it and see how it is. So that's all I got in the current collection that is out. There wasn't anything like super exciting to me. It just kind of seemed like a lot of re-promotes, and they do have some Mother's Day ones that do have really pretty packaging if you're wanting to get one as a gift for your mom or someone special in your life. So now we'll go ahead and get into the new summer ones. I am so excited. So they don't have all of them in, there's a few, but it's like the exciting ones that I really wanted. So we have this new collection that is like tie-dye, so pretty. So this first one in the collection is called Rainbow Confetti, and I am so happy about this one. The notes on it are rainbow sprinkles, vanilla cake, and buttercream frosting and fruity cereal crunch. So it has quite a bit of notes to it. This straight up smells like Fruit Loops cereal, and it is so good. I did try to burn these already just to give you guys my thoughts. This one was very strong. I did use it in this room, which is a bit smaller, but overall I thought it was pretty powerful. I could smell it throughout my house, and I really, really liked it. This is a dupe, if you guys are wondering, for the cereal marshmallow bar. So this is pretty much this again, which I'm so excited because this one was so random. It came out during a candle day, and the stores only got like maybe 20 of each. And so they sold out so quick. They were so hard to find. And then they did release like key lime pie a couple months later, and that one is similar but not exactly the same. The key lime pie candle is a little bit more like fruity tartness, while this is definitely like Fruit Loops. But these two are exactly the same to me. So if you were wanting this one, you would love this. And if you just love the smell of Fruit Loops, you will absolutely adore it. But yeah, those two are spot on. So I was so excited they came out with this because I've been hoarding this candle. I didn't want to burn it just in case it never came back again. So I actually ended up buying two of these because it's definitely my favorite in the collection, and the packaging is my favorite as well. It also has a little rainbow on there, which is adorable. So definitely recommend for the new candles to get the Rainbow Confetti. It is a great performer. Absolutely love this one. My number one of the new scents. Also in that collection we have the blue raspberry snow cone. This one was actually really fun. I smelled it in store and I knew right away. I was like, this is gonna be good. So this has notes of blue raspberry syrup, a hint of cherry, and scoop of shaved ice. And this to me, it smells straight up like that blue syrup from a snow cone. It's like this deep blueberry and super sugary. It's pretty strong as well. I was burning it in this room again and it did fill up the room. So I really like this one so far, but it is different from other kind of blueberry or cherry scents I've tried because it does have these deeper notes to it that just make it so nice and very powerful. So I also definitely recommend picking this one up. I think this collection is such a hit. There's a couple more in the collection that are coming soon. I think they're coming out with the salted pretzel milkshake, which I would definitely recommend as well. I have the old version and that one's really good, as well as a cereal and cartoons, which I don't have yet. They didn't have that one in, but I probably will pick it up if they do get it. But yes, I'm just obsessed with these two from this collection. The other collection kind of looks like this. These ones are just kind of a more basic packaging, but they do have the cute little designs and then the metal lids on top. So this one has definitely been impressing me. This is the ice cream bar candle. This one has notes of glazed chocolate wafer, vanilla ice cream, graham cracker crunch. And this one I thought smelled similar to the chocolate grams that they came out with last year around like the early holiday time. They're pretty similar because they do both have that graham cracker and chocolate note in them, but maybe this one I don't know, I might like it a little bit more. It was super strong, definitely one of my favorites of the new ones I bought. I might rank this one like, I don't know, I feel like this one would be number 2 after the rainbow confetti, and then the snow cone would be number 3, just because this one is so sweet and delicious and very strong when burning. I really do get like this milky note with it as well as the chocolate, but the chocolate isn't overpowering at all. It's just very sweet. So this one I would definitely recommend picking up. Also in that collection, we have the Kiwi Starfruit Cooler. Now I love kiwis as a fruit, but I guess they really don't have much of a scent. This one is very light. I did burn this one earlier today. And I don't think it's my favorite. It's definitely, if you don't like a super powerful candle, I know sometimes candles can be a little bit headache inducing for some people and people don't want a super strong fragrance. You would probably like this if you want just something light. This one's very fruity and fresh, but it's not super sugary or anything like that. The notes are sweet starfruit, sparkling kiwi seltzer, a splash of guava juice, and lemon garnish. But yeah, this one is one of the lighter scents in the whole collection. I probably won't get this one again, but at least I did get to try it out. And then this one has been out a few times now. I've actually never purchased this one myself, so this is my first time having it, but they do have the Firecracker Pop Stars and Stripes, perfect for 4th of July. This one has notes of red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. So if that reminds you of anything, it's supposed to be kind of like the flavors of a bomb pop, how it has the red, white, and blue. This one I think is on the lighter side too, but it is very fruity, has a lot of sweetness to it, and I do get the cherry notes as well as a little bit of citrus with it. Super nice. Really enjoy this one. I would definitely pick this one up again, but it has, I think, the exact same packaging as the one last year. But so far I'm impressed, but I feel like it does remind me of something that I've tried before and I can't put my finger on it. But overall, it is really nice, and I think it does remind me of like a bomb pop. So those are all the candles that I picked up. I know this is kind of a shorter video, but I just kind of wanted to give you my first impressions of these new scents after burning them a bit. Of course, I didn't burn these guys yet, but I wanted to get a couple other candles just to try out and see how they are. But the summer line just looks like it's going to be so good. There's tons of body care that's coming out as well. I think my store does have the berry waffle cone body care in. I asked them about it when I was there. I was like, hey, like, do you know when that's coming out? Which I already knew, but I was going to see if they would sell it to me, but they didn't offer to sell it, so I wasn't going to push it or anything like that. But maybe they'll put it out early. I'm so excited for the berry waffle cone, but there is tons of new scents coming out. There's also a Firecracker Pop body care that's supposed to smell like the candle, which that should be interesting too. But yeah, lots of good things coming to Bath & Body Works. You guys know I will definitely be filming a video when they put all the new stuff out as usual, and if I can get my hands on it early, I'll definitely try to let you know. But I will let you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.